so glad that both these companies met in the middle and decided to do that, because if this was one company that tried to do this, they might have tried to push their own version of the machine. Look how simply it fits into the CoreXY frame. Like,
Yep.
I'm sure there's more to it, but they basically are just using one of the rails of this system. Like,
Part of the frame.
that's
part
all
of
the
the
imp-
frame.
yeah, that's the
Yeah.
only having done this from the inside, Matt, both of us in multiple different companies, like the simplicity of this
Oh,
is just, it needs to be commended. Like, you're just like, it's almost like, of course that's what